this video, we will see how to install Rasa framework. Now, before installing Rasa framework, there is one thing that we need to make sure of. That is, we have Anaconda installed in our system. Okay, and I hope it is already installed in your system. If you have already reached so far, so obviously you have already installed Anaconda. But during the installation of Anaconda, so let me start the installation. There is one step which is very important. So the setup will start. You have to click next. You have to agree the license, and then click next. Next. So it's already installed in my system, so that's why it's showing. It's throwing an error. Let me just change the drive. Let me choose a different drive. D drive. Okay, I will not install. I'll just partially show you. C drive. I'll create a new folder here. Since it is already installed in my system, that's why it's throwing a problem. Okay, so I have created a new folder, and I will try to install it over here. Even though I will not complete the installation, I'll just show you the process. I just wanted to show you this step. Okay, you have to make sure that you register Anaconda 3 as your default Python 3.3.9. Okay, so we have to make sure that Anaconda 3 as your default Python 3.9. Okay, please do not check the option which is on the top, and then you can go ahead and click on installation. Since it's already there in my system, so I will not install it again. I'll just click on cancel. Yeah, aborted. And I'll also delete that folder that I just created. Yeah, it's already there in my system. I just wanted to show you that one important step. Now, next step is you will open Anaconda prompt, okay, which is like a command prompt. You will open Anaconda prompt and you will create a new environment. Now, the command to create an environment is conda create -n, and you have to give a name for your environment. Okay, so this is the command to create a new environment. Conda create -n and the name of your environment. So you can go ahead and type conda create -n, and you can give a name to your environment. For example, let me give a new name. Let's say my environment. Okay, so this generally doesn't take a lot of time, but yeah, this will happen. It's you have to press Y and done. Okay, you're done. So your new environment has been created. Now the next command is to activate the environment, and for that the command is very simple. You just have to call activate and the name that you have provided for your environment. So we'll go ahead and we'll say activate, and what is the name? My environment. So your new environment has been activated. Okay, and the final one is for the installation, and for that you will make use of pip. So pip install Rasa. That's what you will do. So let's go ahead and type pip install Rasa and click enter. Your Rasa installation will be done. Since it's already done for me, so I will not install it again. But yeah, you guys have to click enter and the installation process will start. Once the installation is done, we will learn how to create a new Rasa project.